We have added an estimate drop-down above the project tabs. The drop-down will contain all of the estimates in the project. All of the tabs will display data for the selected estimate. Click the New Estimate button. Enter the estimate name. Click the drop-down button. Select the estimator. This is not a requirement. If you're working from a set of blueprints, enter the first blueprint date. This date will be displayed in the formal proposal document, which is part of your customer's bid package. If you're working from a set of blueprints, enter the last blueprint date. This date will be displayed in the formal proposal document, which is part of your customer's bid package. If you know the square footage of the estimate, you can enter it here. The Bid Price Data tab will show you a cost per square foot price. Select the Architect Company drop-down. The drop-down will display the architect companies that you have already created. Select the Architect Company. This is not a requirement. Select the Architect Contact drop-down. The drop-down will display the architect contacts that you have already created. Select the Architect Contact. This is not a requirement. TurboBid's labor units represent roughly 1/2 of the National Electrical Contractors Association's labor unit. TurboBid's labor units work well for commercial estimates, as well as service work estimates. For any estimates that have a different pace than commercial work, such as residential work, you may need to adjust the labor units for that estimate. For example, we feel that the pace on a residential job site is roughly 30% faster than the pace on a commercial job site. If this were the case, you would select the residential type of work and enter -30% for the percentage. Select the Type of Work drop-down. The drop-down will display various types of work.